Did you know there's a tree in India called the village pharmacy? It provides medicine, protects crops, and even cleans our teeth. This is the Neem tree, Azadirachta indica, a wonder of nature, woven into Indian life for millennia. Its resilience and healing powers have made it a symbol of health and protection. Join me, good Vishal, as we explore the top 10 incredible facts about this extraordinary plant. Prepare to be amazed by the power of nature. In countless Indian villages, life moves at a different pace, a rhythm dictated by nature and tradition. Here, far from the bustling cities and modern amenities, lies a deep connection to the land and its bounty. The neem tree is the community's first stop for health. It stands tall, a verdant sentinel, offering shade and solace, but more importantly, a natural pharmacy for those in need. Its presence is a constant reminder of the healing power of nature, a gift passed down through generations. Known as Arishta, the reliever of sickness, a name whispered with reverence and gratitude, it embodies the hopes and well-being of the community. This ancient tree has witnessed countless seasons, offering its medicinal properties to those who seek its aid. Its nickname, village pharmacy, is no exaggeration. It's a testament to the tree's profound impact on the lives of the villagers, a symbol of self-reliance and traditional knowledge. The neem tree provides a readily available source of remedies, a natural alternative to modern medicine. When modern medicine is far away and access to healthcare is limited, the neem tree becomes an indispensable resource. It bridges the gap, offering relief and healing to those who might otherwise suffer in silence. Neem is the remedy for fevers, its bitter compounds working to bring down temperatures and alleviate discomfort. The leaves, packed with medicinal properties, are carefully harvested and prepared for various ailments. Rashes, soothing irritated skin, and promoting healing with its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities. The paste, made from freshly ground leaves, is applied directly to the affected area, providing immediate relief and joint pain. The neem's analgesic properties offer respite from aches and stiffness, allowing villagers to continue their daily lives with greater ease. Knowledge of its uses is passed down through generations, a sacred trust held by the elders and shared with the young. This oral tradition ensures that the wisdom of the neem tree continues to benefit the community for years to come. A living tradition. It's a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of the villagers, their ability to thrive in harmony with nature. Villagers know which part to use and how to prepare it, a deep understanding born from years of observation and experience. They possess an intimate knowledge of the tree's properties, knowing exactly how to harness its healing power. Leaves for poultices, applied to wounds and skin infections to promote healing and prevent further complications. Bark for tea, a bitter brew believed to cleanse the blood and boost the immune system. Seeds for oil, used to treat skin conditions, repel insects, and even as a natural pesticide for crops. Under its shade, life unfolds, a sanctuary from the harsh sun, a gathering place for the community. Elders share stories, passing down their wisdom and traditions to the younger generation. Children play, their laughter echoing through the branches, creating memories that will last a lifetime. And decisions are made. The neem tree serves as a neutral ground, a place where the community can come together to discuss important matters and find common ground. The neem tree is more than medicine. It's a symbol of resilience, community, and the enduring power of nature. It's the heart of the village ecosystem. It provides sustenance, shelter, and a sense of belonging to all who live in its presence. For millions, it's a vital part of daily healthcare, a testament to the enduring wisdom of traditional medicine and the healing power of the natural world. The neem tree stands as a reminder of the importance of preserving this knowledge for future generations. Neem leaves, with their distinctive serrated edges and vibrant green hue, are arguably the most widely utilized component of this incredible natural pharmacy that the neem tree provides. They are a treasure trove of medicinal properties, revered for centuries across various cultures. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, they're especially revered for their remarkable ability to address and heal a wide array of skin problems, often applied directly to the affected area as soothing and therapeutic pastes, carefully prepared to maximize their effectiveness. Or they are transformed into potent decoctions, where the leaves are boiled down to extract their beneficial compounds into a concentrated liquid. These are used extensively for treating stubborn infections, persistent rashes, and other inflammatory skin conditions. Furthermore, a bath prepared with neem-infused water, where the essence of the leaves is released into the water, is a common and time-honored practice in many households, passed down through generations. It's believed to deeply cleanse the skin, purify the body, and effectively ward off potential illnesses and infections. And then there's bitter neem tea, a traditional remedy often turned to for alleviating feverish symptoms and discomfort. It is also widely believed to fortify the body's natural defenses and boost overall immunity, helping to keep you healthy and resilient. Some even advocate for eating a few tender neem leaves on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, as it is said to work wonders in purifying the blood, removing toxins and impurities. This practice is thought to deeply cleanse and detoxify the body from within, promoting overall well-being. Interestingly, modern science is now beginning to catch up, as research increasingly confirms that neem leaves do indeed contain a wealth of bioactive compounds, which exhibit significant anti-inflammatory and potent immune-boosting properties, validating its traditional uses. So, ancient wisdom passed down through generations, and cutting-edge modern research are finally in agreement. Neem leaves truly are a powerful and remarkably versatile medicine, offering a holistic approach to health and well-being. Neem's gifts extend to the fields, where it's a farmer's best friend. Long before chemical pesticides, neem oil from crushed seeds protected crops naturally. Its key compound, azadirachtin, disrupts pest life cycles without harming beneficial insects. Neem oil repels and controls pests, making crops unpalatable and interfering with insect growth. This natural pesticide supports organic farming and preserves soil health. Farmers using neem nurture biodiversity and protect their livelihoods. It's a sustainable solution working with nature, not against it. Neem safeguards the future of agriculture. Forget fancy toothbrushes. Many still use a simple neem twig or datun for oral care. Chewing one end forms a brush that cleans teeth and massages gums. The bitter neem juice released is a natural mouthwash, killing bacteria and freshening breath. This practice strengthens gums and stimulates saliva, the body's natural defense. It's a free, biodegradable, and effective toothbrush straight from nature. The neem twig is a sustainable, holistic approach to dental health. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Neem's reputation as a purifier is backed by science. Its leaves, bark, and seeds are packed with antimicrobial compounds that fight bacteria and fungi. Neem extracts disrupt bacterial growth and prevent them from sticking to surfaces. They're effective against bacteria like Staphylococcus and Streptococcus, and fungi causing ringworm and athlete's foot. That's why neem is found in herbal soaps and creams for skin infections. It's a natural alternative to synthetic antibiotics and antifungals. Neem is truly a microbe slayer. Neem is a trusted ally for healthy skin. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a go-to for acne and irritated skin. Neem oil helps regulate oil, tighten pores, and soothe redness. Traditional neem masks draw out impurities and refresh the skin. It's also used for eczema, psoriasis, and minor wounds, speeding healing and preventing infection. Today, neem is a star ingredient in global skincare products. Generations have relied on neem for beauty and healing. The neem tree is the skin's gentle guardian. Neem's benefits reach far beyond just people. Its positive impact extends into the very fabric of our environment, playing a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. The tree's influence is a testament to nature's ability to provide solutions for a healthier planet and crops, protecting them from pests naturally. It helps the environment too. It actively contributes to a healthier ecosystem by improving air quality and supporting biodiversity. The tree absorbs carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, fighting climate change by reducing the concentration of harmful gases in the atmosphere. This makes neem a valuable ally in mitigating the effects of global warming and purifying the air, creating a cleaner and healthier environment for all living beings. Its dense leaves filter pollutants, trapping dust, smoke, and other airborne particles, and cool the surroundings, providing much-needed relief from the heat, especially in urban areas, making it a prized shade tree, offering a cool and comfortable space for people and animals alike. Neem roots prevent soil erosion, holding the soil together and preventing it from being washed away by rain or wind. And fallen leaves enrich the earth, adding valuable nutrients back into the soil as they decompose. Neem cake, left after oil extraction, is a byproduct with incredible benefits, is a powerful organic fertilizer, providing essential nutrients to plants in a natural and sustainable way, and pest repellent, protecting crops from harmful insects and diseases without the use of synthetic chemicals. Planting neem improves soil health, enhancing its fertility and making it more suitable for agriculture, and reduces the need for chemicals. promoting a more sustainable and environmentally friendly approach to farming. It's a champion for sustainable agriculture, offering a natural and effective way to improve crop yields and protect the environment. And urban greening, bringing nature back into our cities and creating a more livable environment for everyone. Neem nurtures the land, revitalizing the soil and creating a thriving ecosystem, and cleans the air, making our planet a healthier and more sustainable place to live. Neem's lesser-known gift is its role in traditional contraception. For centuries, neem seed oil has been used as a natural spermicide. Applied topically, it can immobilize sperm and prevent fertilization. This knowledge, passed down through generations, offered women a plant-based option for family planning. Modern studies confirm neem oil's spermicidal effects, though more research is needed. It's a reminder of the plant world's hidden powers. Neem's influence reaches even the most personal aspects of life. Neem's legacy is written in ancient Indian texts and medical treatises. Ayurveda's foundational works like Charaka Samhita praise neem for treating skin, fevers, and dental issues. Its Sanskrit names, Nimba, Pichumarda, highlight its healing powers. Neem is also sacred in Hindu mythology, linked to health and protection. Planting neem near homes is believed to bring good fortune and ward off disease. These traditions show neem's deep cultural and spiritual roots. Ancient texts preserve a wisdom that still guides us today. Neem's story has gone global. Once rooted in Indian villages, it's now cultivated worldwide for health, agriculture, and environmental benefits. Neem products fill shelves from Europe to America: pesticides, toothpaste, skincare, and more. Its hardiness makes it ideal for reforestation and combating desertification. This global demand creates new opportunities for communities in its native regions. Neem's journey proves that ancient wisdom can solve modern problems. The neem tree is now a gift to the world. From village pharmacy to global phenomenon, neem is a testament to nature's wisdom. It heals, protects, and sustains, reminding us to value biodiversity and traditional knowledge. Neem teaches us about sustainability and our deep connection to the natural world. Which neem fact surprised you most? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more amazing nature stories. The story of neem inspires us to